Hey guys, I just wanted to show you some tips regarding fixing the two different types of induction coil on the base of the ICT. This is the new coil, this is the old coil. So we will show you the fitment, how the Boss extrude fitment, two types of fitment is available on the ICT base. We are showing you the old coil fitment. Fitment point 1, 2 and 3. You see how it is getting seated. 1, 2, 3 and 3. So you can see the fitment also. You can see it is seated here. I'm pointing out the pointer here. You can see here. Point 1, 2 and point 3. So this is the old coil which can be replaced to new coil. So the new coil fitment is different. We'll show you that. Point 1, 2, point 2 and point 3. You can see the new coil fitment. So it's very easy. There is a compatibility for both the coils. Compatibility for the old coil, compatibility for the new coil. So both the coils can be mounted on the base of this ICT. Make sure you fix the terminals, the coil terminals, properly towards the connector itself. That is connected to output 2 of the coil, black sleeve. You can see black sleeve. And it should not be over tightened also. Ensure it is properly tightened and it is firm. Output 1, red sleeve. Ensure you can see the tightening of the screw. Yeah, it should be tight and firm. Yeah, it should not be over tightened also. It should be firm on the PCB. The terminals are tightened properly on the connectors. This should be tightly tightened. The red sleeve goes to the terminal 1 output. The black sleeve goes to the terminal 2 output. This should be firm and it should be tightened clearly. If it is not tightened properly, there are chances of the PCB getting burnt. Can you see the PCB getting burnt? When the terminals are loose, it leads to spark in the PCB and the PCB gets burnt. So these are the chances. So ensure when you tighten the induction coil to the terminals, ensure that it is tightened firmly. Otherwise, the PCB will get burnt.